How to fix Instagram Reels scrolling down problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram Reels scrolling down problem. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, if you are facing the problem of scrolling down through the Reels on Instagram, you have to check your internet connection. A weak connection can cause Reels to freeze or fail to load. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, you can switch between mobile data and fix this issue. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app. Simply head to Play Store or App Store and you have to check for the updates of Instagram. If you find the update button, select update button and update it to the latest version. After that, you have to clear your cache of Instagram. For that, tap and hold Instagram and select App Info or the I button. And then select Storage Uses, tap Clear Cache. And once you have done that, if the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh everything. So tap and hold Instagram app and then tap the trash icon, tap uninstall and reinstall from Play Store or App Store. Following this all the step, your issue of Instagram Reels scrolling down will be fixed. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.